Good day, I am Deandre Holigang from Mapua University where we focus on engineering solutions that address real-world problems. Everyday school, offices, and household mix different kinds of trash together. Recyclable gets contaminated, biodegradable waste ends up in landfills, and methane emissions continue to rise. Traditional waste bin just don't solve this. That's why we developed AutoBin, an AI-powered smart bin that automatically sorts waste into the right category and even replaces the bug when it's full. With a camera, sensor, and self-learning AI, segregation becomes a simple and reliable. With AutoBin, institutions have time reduce harmful emissions and comply with waste regulation while promoting sustainable habits. Imagine classroom teaching responsibly, hands-on, and office become eco-friendly without extra effort. Unlike the other smart bins or bulky industrial machines, AutoBin combines the AI trash sorting automatic bug refill system in one compact, affordable design. I believe AutoBin can transform the way we manage waste, and I'd love the chance to show you how it works in detail. Will you be open enough to follow the presentation?